What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to walk you through on how to use Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a cutting-edge platform that leverages AI technology to generate high-quality images effortlessly. It offers a range of pre-trained AI models, making it accessible to users without extensive technical knowledge. So first, navigate to your user tools on the left side panel and click on image generation. Now here you will notice that you will have several options for number of images. So this means that the AI will generate 4 images for your prompt. And also right below it, you will also have a few options for the details of your final result. Also here you have your image dimension, also you have your guidance scale and tilling. So first here, go to your text input box in here and you can type in your prompt. So say for example, let's say a futuristic pirate ship with old cannon and a large sail. So after that you can just click on generate. And here you notice that there are 4 generating images here. That's because we choose 4 from the number of images. Alright, so here we can see that we have our 4 AI generated images. Now what you can do with these images, you can also select one. And right below it, you have several options. So you can download this image to your computer. You can also copy this to your clipboard, so it is going to copy the URL of this image. You can also remove the background of this picture, and you can also improve the scaling of this image so that the small details will be much more clear. And the last option here is you can delete the image. So say for example, you want to remove the background for this one, you just simply click on this icon right here. And here you can click on no background. So here, as we can see, the background is removed. Now if you want to put it back, you can simply click here and click on original image. Alright, so the next feature of Leonardo AI is real-time canvas. So let's go ahead and click on this one. So what is going to happen here is, as we are drawing something on this canvas, it is going to generate an image on the other side. Alright, so let's start with picking up the brush tool in here. You can change the size by dragging this slider up or down. So here, for example, I am going to draw something in here. So I'm gonna do it like this. So I am trying to make a waterfall in here. Alright, now right below, you can actually type what kind of image you want to generate. So here I'm trying to draw a waterfall, so I'm going to type scenery. And here, as you can see, there is some kind of waterfall in here and also waterfalls in here. Now if I'm going to continue and draw more on this canvas, and let's see what is going to happen. Alright, so this is Leonardo AI's real-time canvas. It is going to show you a real-time AI generation while you are drawing or painting on the canvas. So let's explore more features. Now let's go to real-time gen. So here it is going to show you a real-time generation of the image you want to generate. So say for example here, I want to say a boy holding a balloon walking on the street. So here, as you can see, it is showing you in real time the images that are being generated. Now here you can click on this button to choose what theme you want to use with the image. So say for example here, let's choose cinematic. So it is going to give you that cinematic image of a boy holding a balloon while walking on the street. Another feature of Leonardo AI is Canvas Editor. So here you can actually create or draw your own image. So here you have several tools that you can use. So you have your hand tool, so you can use this to navigate around your canvas. You also have the select tool. So this box is your selection box, so you can move this box around. You also have your mask tool in here, so if you want to draw a mask around something, you can use this tool. And you also have your erase tool and sketch tool, text, and image tool, and you have your delete button. So for example, here I want to add an image, so I am going to click on upload image. Now I have three options. I have from a computer, from previous generations, and from the community in Leonardo AI. So I'm going to choose the second option, from previous generations, and I'm going to choose this one. Alright, now if you want to move this image, you can go to select and click on the image, and you can drag it to anywhere you want the image to be. Now after that, if you want to draw something on it, you can click on the sketch tool here, and you can add your drawing. So if you want to write something or doodle on the picture, you can do so. You can also add a text. Just click on this text icon in here, and you can click on your canvas and you can write whatever you want. You can also use a prompt to generate an image. Now if you use the prompt, the image is going to be generated inside this selection box in here. So for example, if I am going to write here a bluebird chirping on tree branch and click on generate, so it is going to generate inside this selection box in here. So again, here you can choose how many images you want to generate. So here 4 is selected, so we have 4 images here, so you can choose which one you prefer. And if you're happy with it, you can just click on accept, and it is going to be in there. Now if you want to move it, just click on the selection tool here, click on the image, and you can move it. Right. Now moving on to motion. Now this is a very interesting feature. So it is going to make your image into a very short video. So here you can select an image. We can click on this one, and let's go to our generations here. These are our generated images, and let's choose a picture here. Let's say for example, let's choose this one, and let's click on confirm. Now here you will have some options like your motion strength, so let's just keep it on 7. So if you're going to put more strength on this one, there will be more motion to your image. Now after that, just click on generate and click on view generation. Now here we can see the results. Let's click on this one, and as you can see, the normal image became an animated one. Alright, so there you have it, guys. These are the basic steps for Leonardo AI. So if you are interested in this AI image generator, you can go to leonardo.ai and create your free account, and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.